To change your phone number in the BMO app, start by opening the app and logging in with your user ID and password. Next, click on the More option or three-line menu at the bottom of the screen, which will open a page displaying your account details and other options for updating your information. Scroll down to find the Preferences option. Then click on Contact Preferences. You will be prompted to choose what you want to change: email, phone number, or address. Select the phone number option, and you will see a list of phone numbers linked to your BMO account. From here, you can modify an existing number or add a new one by clicking on the number you wish to change or the Add button. Enter the new information. Then scroll down and click the Update button to complete the process. This is a quick and easy process. And once you've finished, your phone number will be updated in the BMO app.